Baek and Lee watching their lens clash of rackets. And now it gets tasty. Oh, that's not, they're all over the shop positionally.
It's a brilliant rally.
No idea where all this energy is coming from, but it's Baek and Lee that are playing a little bit more controlled. It's all reactive from the Malaysians right now.
Pearly Tan's waning. This is incredible.
It's brilliant stuff. Mesmerizing, breathtaking.
Oh, they're unsure.
Late.
And again, Tina though, able to keep it going. Pearly Tan's dead on her feet.
Oh! There's just no movement on the other side of the net from the Malaysians. All reactive.
Oh, she's got it back. And again. And again. Get up, Pearly Tan.
Oh, it's in. What a rally. And the Malaysians are absolutely floored by that.